Today, we are introducing our new solution, Auto Feeding and Auto Box Stacking System. This system is designed to further automate box production and improve overall efficiency. Aopack arranged both an after-sales service engineer and an R&D engineer to travel to the customer site in the United States to guide the installation. Now you can see the BM3000-HD heavy-duty box-making machine and the auto feeding and auto box stacking system are working well. The vacuum cup feeder automatically picks up the cardboard sheets, while vibration separation prevents multiple sheets from feeding at once. The automatic edge guiding system ensures precise sheet alignment and accurate feeding dimensions. Finished boxes are then automatically collected and stacked, completing the fully automated workflow. With this configuration, raw cardboard sheets can be converted into finished carton boxes in a single pass. Workers using a forklift to place pallets of raw cardboard sheets directly onto the cardboard lift platform. This solution helps customers reduce manual labor, increase production efficiency. The customer is a manufacturer located in Newark, California, USA. The complete process, including installation, machine commissioning, and operator training, took 5 days. This customer installed the BM3000-HD heavy-duty box-making machine in August 2025. The BM3000-HD is equipped with a cold gluing function, which means no additional gluing machine is required. It is also configured with 2 sets of flexo printing units, allowing the customer to print logos, warning signs, and small graphic areas directly on the box. With this configuration, raw cardboard sheets can be converted into finished carton boxes in a single pass. Aopack continues to focus on innovation, automation, and reliable industrial solutions for the global packaging industry.